In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Good morning to all of my dear students and Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I hope you are in good health. Well, students, I am your teacher of subject English. So let's start today's lecture. Today is 2nd of December 2020 and the day is Wednesday. So let's move to see the topic of today's lecture. And the topic of today's lecture is question answer. It means that today we are going to do question answers related to the unit number 9 named Brother and Sister. I hope that you must be very familiar with this unit name because we have just finished the reading in our previous lecture. So जल्दी जल्दी से याद कर लें सब बच्चे, जल्दी जल्दी से रिकॉल कर लें what was actually in the unit 9. Okay. Here you go, you can see at the page number 80 of your textbook, the unit number is 9 and name is Brother and Sister. I'm just going to give you a short theme of the story. What was actually is, it actually comprises on the two main characters which are brother and sister. Means you can see in the picture because there are two children, okay, one is girl and the other one is boy. They both are brother and sisters, okay. Actually they going to the market to buy a little toy, okay. Now you must know that that girls have their own choices and boys have their own choices, okay. They both have the different choices, but finally they got one same thing for both, okay. First of all, the girl spotted a pretty silver star, but when the boy let know, and he just became very angry, okay. He just glared and give a hard to the girl, okay, because he said that I don't want to get the silver star, I want something else. Then finally when they move on to the market, then they saw a very splendid book, okay. The book was very perfect for both of them, and finally they bought that book and became very happy, okay students. Let's see and let's move to the next picture what actually is. Okay, here you go with the answer questions. Number 1 is, where did the children go? Number 1 is, where did the children, यानी कि बच्चे किधर गए थे? सो द आंसर इज द चिल्ड्रन वेंट टू द बाजार. कि बच्चे जो हैं कहाँ गए थे? दोनों बच्चे बाजार गए थे. द चिल्ड्रन वेंट टू द बाजार. नंबर 2 इज, वेयर चिल्ड्रन व्हाट वर द चिल्ड्रन डूइंग देयर? जो बच्चे हैं वहाँ क्या कर रहे थे? व्हाट वर द चिल्ड्रन डूइंग देयर? एंड आंसर इज दे वर देयर, कि वो वहाँ थे, टू फाइंड, के लिए, एंड बाय अ लिटिल टॉय, और ख़रीदने के लिए एक छोटा सा टॉय, ठीक है. दे वर देयर टू फाइंड एंड बाय अ लिटिल टॉय. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, एट फर्स्ट चिल्ड्रन फाइंड व्हाट दे वांटेड. क्या पहली दफ़ा में क्या बच्चों को कुछ मिल गया जो वो चाहते थे? एट फर्स्ट, so at first they did not get anything what they want. Answer is no. At first, after no there is a comma, okay. No, at first they disagreed. वो मुत्तफिक नहीं थे about what they wanted, इसके बारे में जो वो चाहते थे, ठीक है, about what they wanted. Well student, I am repeating these three questions again. Where did the children go? बच्चे कहाँ गए थे? And the answer is the children went to the bazaar. जो बच्चे थे वो बाजार गए थे. Number 2 is, what the children doing there? बच्चे वहाँ क्या कर रहे थे? Answer is they were there to find and buy a little toy. वो वहाँ पे ढूंढने के लिए और बाय करने के लिए एक छोटा सा टॉय, ठीक है. And the third is, at first did the children find what they wanted? क्या बच्चों को वो मिल गया था जो वो चाहते थे? So the answer is no. At first they disagreed about what they wanted. Okay, have to read with the teacher, you have to follow me, you have to read with the teacher. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Okay, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, इफ यू कैन सी, डिड चिल्ड्रन आर्ग्यू, क्या बच्चों ने बहस की? व्हाट डिड ईच ऑफ देम डू, दोनों में से हर एक ने क्या किया? डिड द चिल्ड्रन आर्ग्यू, व्हाट डिड ईच ऑफ देम डू? ठीक है, एंड द आंसर इज यस, दे स्पोक टू ईच अदर हार्शली. ओके, वो दोनों जो थे स्टार्टिंग में एक दूसरे के साथ थोड़े गुस्से से बोले. वाई दे स्पोक टू each other harshly? Because at first the girl wanted to get the cinema, but the boy wanted to have the tractor. Okay, that's why they just have the words of the harshly with each other. Okay, इसलिए आंसर इज यस, दे each other harshly, वह एक दूसरे से थोड़ा गुस्से से बोले. एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, डू यू थिंक दे बोट समथिंग गुड? को लगता है कि उन्होंने कुछ अच्छा खरीदा था? डू यू थिंक दे बॉट समथिंग गुड? आंसर इज यस, बिकॉज अ बुक कैन बी enjoyed over and over again. So what did they get? Of course they bought a book. So answer is yes, because क्योंकि a book, एक book जो है can be enjoyed, एक बुक को खरीद के हम इंजॉय कर सकते हैं ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन, बार बार. ओके, बिकॉज द बुक वॉज वेरी स्प्लेंडेड, ब्यूटिफुल, ब्रिलियंट एंड फुल ऑफ many stories. Okay, so that's all for lecture. I just we read actually 1 2 3 4 5 question answers, and please everyone read the answers after me, so that you would be able to learn it, or you'll be able to do it very well on your booklets. Okay, the spellings must be accurate and your handwriting would be very clear. Okay, so you have the answer question on your booklet. Open your booklets, make sure that you are having your pencil, eraser, sharpener with you. Put the date of today's lecture and then write on your booklet. Okay students, and make sure that after writing you are learning your answer questions as well. This is your task. Okay, after